All right, you guys. I'm here again. I'm going to show you guys some of my favorite items that if I did not have in my collection today, that I would absolutely go out and repurchase again. If I was, out traveling at my job and I left these in a hotel room, or if we was somewhere I left them in a hotel room, or if I couldn't find them, that I would absolutely have to repurchase. Might not be that same day, but it's definitely a must-have to my channel. All right, so let's get into it. The first thing is this e.l.f. spot cleaner. I think it's a spot acne cleanser. I'm not quite sure because the thing just says e.l.f. on it. But I got this from the e.l.f. website when I was making purchases. And what this is for, I don't know if you could get it from like Walmart or something. Probably can, wherever e.l.f. products is sold. But I got this one on the website and they sell out a lot. But it's a spot acne cleanser. So what I do with it, if just during the day, if I'm not wearing makeup or anything, and if I feel like a pimple, a bump coming up, I would just rub this in, and I would do this maybe about 4 or 5 times a day. Just whenever I think about it, I keep one in my purse. I take one to work with me just in case a bump come up, a bump will come up or something. And I would just rub this on there about 4 or 5 times a day and not pop that bump. And I promise you, that 1 or 2 pimple that you do get popped up there, it will decrease in size and it will go away. This is a tried and true. I've used this thing. I gave my son one for his bumps, but this is only $2, and I think it used to be $1 but e.l.f. to get up. So whenever I make my purchase online, I purchase several of them just so I can have in my collection in case I lost one or misplaced them or we ran out, because I like to get the free shipping. So another one of the items that if I didn't have, or if it ran out, I would definitely have to repurchase is my Garnier Micellar water. This is a toner, it's a cleanse, it refreshes your face, and it also is a good makeup remover. If I'm just taking off my eye makeup, you can just put some on the cotton pad and it will take off all your eye makeup, your mascara, your eyeliner. I love this, and I know I told y'all like some mornings when I wake up, I would use the e.l.f. wipe. Okay, if I didn't have one there, I had ran out of, there was somewhere else, you could just grab one of these. And you can use these in the morning time. You can use them after your cleanser as a toner. I love this stuff. It's amazing. And then, of course, my e.l.f. makeup wipes. Just because whenever I put in an order, because I shop online a lot. So whenever I put in an order on Sephora, if I don't have enough to meet my shipping criteria, or even if I do, you can just get 2 packs of these for $5. So whenever I put in a Sephora order, I usually always throw in some of these just so I can always have some handy. And another purchase is from Shop Miss A. Is their lashes. They're $1.55 lashes. The style that I'm wearing right now is the style Elda. And these are in the style jean. And I love the jean ones because the jean ones are just like the lash stories I used to get from Sephora. That was $1.55. You see how they kind of taper off? So whenever you cut your lashes, you see how they taper off? You want to cut them from the inside corner where the short side is. So, but that's why I love these. These were my favorite natural looking lashes because they would make me look like I had a wing, even though I didn't have a wing liner. So I love these style lashes. So if I did not have these in my collection, I would definitely repurchase these. And we're going to keep it Shop Miss A for a little bit. My little Shop Miss A lash tool, that if I lost it or if I didn't have it, I would definitely just purchase another one from Shop Miss A. Shop Miss A brushes. If y'all haven't seen the Shop Miss A brushes, you can get like 10 of these for like $10 in a brush pack. They're eye brushes. I know these are dirty. I thought I had a brand new set. I know I gifted some to my friend, but I thought I had another brand new set for myself, and I was looking around and I can't find it. So I'm definitely gonna be putting in another Shop Miss A order, and these brushes are gonna be on my list. You get like 10 of these eye brushes for like $10.55. If I can find a picture, I'll insert it for you guys. But I love these brushes. They're cheap and they work great. My duo glue, this is out. I do have a backup, so but if I was this low on it, I would definitely go and repurchase another one. My Shop Miss A mirror. I love this mirror because it's so small and compact, and it's perfect for me to keep in my drawers, or if I'm going on a trip, for me to just pack it up. I can do my lashes, I can look in it, I can check my makeup out. It's just a perfect size small mirror for traveling, and I use it a lot at home. The Shop Miss A clear lip pop lip gloss. Now, when I first bought this, I did not like it because it's not the most moisturizing lip gloss. I have better lip glosses than this. But if you have on, let's say if you wanted to do a bold colored lip or something, this lip gloss is a good topper shade. Don't use it for moisturizing or anything, but if you just want your lipstick to become glossy and shiny, it definitely does do the job. But I don't pull it straight out the thing and put it on. I kind of like squeeze some out the tube, get it on the top of it like this, and you would just run it along your lipstick, and it will definitely give your lipstick a nice gloss. And you don't have to use your expensive lipstick, and then if the tips get dirty, you're not concerned about it, and it costs you that much, and it's only $1. And it's really good to make your lipstick pop. I love it for that. So if I didn't have this, I repurchase it, because sometimes you don't want to use your good lipstick on top of like your good lip gloss on top of like a bold color, or you just don't want to use up your lip gloss just to put on a topper for my lipstick. I actually like to wear lip gloss. So my good lip gloss, I like to wear it by itself with a liner. My Shop Miss A little scissors I use for my lashes, if I did not have these, I would definitely have to repurchase these. Matter of fact, I probably need to go ahead and order me a backup when I order those brushes, because this is a good tool and I use it a lot. Of course, a tried and true, my Fenty lip gloss in the shade Fenty Glow. I tried this at first. I didn't like it, but it's really grown on me. It's a tried and true neutral color. I love it. If you don't feel like putting on lipstick, you could just put this on. You put some liner on, or you can wear it without liner. Your lip gloss be popping. You be cute. My Sephora Micro Smooth Micro Tan setting powder. Well, it's a compact powder. But if I did not have this, I would definitely repurchase it if I lost it. Maybe not the same day, but I would definitely repurchase this because it's become one of my favorite products. Now, if y'all don't know, if y'all never shop Miss A, they have these sponges that are like the, what are those sponges called? The beauty blenders. Now, this is the original formula. They say that Shop Miss A has changed their formula and it is not the same, but these are just as soft and just as smooth when you wet them as a beauty blender, and they're $1. So these are the power. You have to get the AOA ones. They say they have some more, but they're not as soft as the AOA ones. So get the AOA ones, the pink ones. These things are good. These are the original ones, because when I made I think I made one order and then I made another order after I saw how good they were. I ordered me a few of them so I could just have in stock, because I have some beauty blenders on display, but I don't use beauty blenders because they're expensive. I either use these, or this one's 30, or a Sonia Cassia. You can get Sonia Cassia. I like these because they're big when you blend it in. But you can get Sonia Cassia from Target. But I like these from Shop Miss A. They were $1. My tried and true, my SPF, my Sunbum, my SPF. If I did not have this, I have to have some sunscreen, some SPF. So this, if I did not have this, I would definitely have to repurchase this ASAP. And then also, last but not least, my Nivea cream. Now I used to use, I got this $1 from the Dollar General. It's not expensive, but it's so creamy. I used to use this as a nighttime cream before I got the It Confidence in a Cream and the Ipsy. And it's really good. It's really moisturizing. If it's heavy cream, it can be kind of greasy. So I will only use this at nighttime. If you have some dry skin, some dry feet, you can put it on your feet. But you can put this cream everywhere, anywhere. But I used to use it at nighttime on my face, and it's only $1. So when I travel, when I go to work, or if we go on a trip or something, I don't want to pack a lot of stuff, I would just pack one of these and just use this as my nighttime cream. Well, thank you guys so much for joining me. I did an eyelash tutorial. It'll probably go up before this video, but it's with me having this look. I hope you guys like it. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel and supporting. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe and support your girl. Hey, share a video with your friends. Share a video on Facebook. I'm trying to build up this channel. I want this to be an interactive channel. I hope you guys learn a lot. If you didn't know, I'm also on a low buy. So with my low buy, I got some gift cards that I got off some of my credit cards for some points and stuff. So I got almost maybe $200, maybe a little bit over $200 in gift cards. So we are going to have some hauls, but we're going to shop responsible. We're going to shop on sale. Sephora's having a VIB Rouge sale coming up, so I'm going to be shopping that sale. So I'm gonna do a haul from that sale. I love holiday shopping. I love the holiday packaging. It's gonna get me, I know, but I'm gonna try my best. You guys are gonna be my accountability partners for me not to break my low buy. But thank you guys so much for joining me.